Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Ears.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack.
And I'm Monica. Today we have a topic that can save your day.
And maybe save your friendships, too.
Yes, because today we talk about making complaints politely,
Complaints. Scary word.
right? But we all have problems. Cold food, noisy hotel, broken package.
And we still need to speak up. In English.
Exactly. And we want to solve the problem, not start a fight.
Can I confess something?
Always. Go on.
Last week, I bought a coffee. I asked for oat milk.
Okay.
I got regular milk.
Oh no.
I noticed it. I looked at the barista. I opened my mouth.
And?
And I said, "Thank you so much." And I walked away.
Jack, have you ever done that, guys?
You know, I felt brave for 2 seconds. Then I panicked.
Okay, quick suspense. Guess what happened next?
My stomach was not happy. It was like a sad drum.
A sad drum. That is the real cost of being too polite.
Exactly. So today, I need help.
Good. And you watching, you probably feel the same. We've all been there.
So here's the plan. We will show you easy, polite phrases.
3 simple formulas. Super useful.
And we will practice with real situations. Restaurant, hotel, online shopping.
And Jack will maybe embarrass himself a little.
That is my job today.
All right, let's jump in. Part 1. Why is complaining politely so hard?
Because emotions show up fast.
Yes, and also culture. In some places, people speak very directly.
Like, this is wrong, fix it.
Right. In other places, people use softer words. They go around the problem.
So learners get confused.
Also, we worry about one thing, sounding rude.
And we do the opposite. We say nothing.
Or we go too strong, like full angry movie scene.
Wait, are we doing the wrong version now?
Yes, let's act it out. Restaurant scene. I'm the server, you complain.
Okay, wrong version. Don't copy me.
Hi, how is everything?
This food is terrible. I can't eat this. Take it away.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And you took forever. I've been waiting 1,000,000 years.
1 million?
Yes, I grew a beard while waiting.
Jack, you already have a beard.
Exactly. It got longer.
Okay, stop. That was funny, but also a bit too much.
So that's one mistake. Too direct.
Yes, and there's another mistake. People get too soft and too unclear.
Like, it's fine, while crying inside.
Exactly. Let's do the too soft version.
All right, I will be awkward.
Hi, how is everything?
Sorry, maybe? The soup is kind of not hot?
Oh, so you want more salt.
No, it's okay. I don't want trouble.
So you want a box to take it home?
Maybe?
And now you go home with cold soup and confusion.
So, polite does not mean unclear.
Yes, polite is soft but still clear.
Okay, what's the simple structure?
3 steps. Keep it easy. Step 1, a soft start. Step 2, the problem. Step 3, a polite request.
Soft start, problem, request.
And here are 3 easy soft starts. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Hi, quick question.
Those feel friendly, not scary.
Yes, and one more thing. Don't attack the person.
So not, you made a mistake.
Right. Say, I think there might be a mistake.
That sounds calmer.
And your voice matters too.
Tone?
Tone. You can say please, but if you sound angry, it feels rude.
So we need calm words and calm voice.
Exactly. Now, part 2. 3 polite complaint formulas.
These are like sentence frames, right?
Exactly. You plug in your problem.
Okay, Formula 1.
Formula 1 is I'm afraid.
Like, you are scared?
Good question. In complaints, I'm afraid is a softener.
So it means, sorry, but.
Yes, it makes bad news sound gentle.
How do I use it?
Correct example. I'm afraid this soup is cold.
Simple.
Another, I am afraid there's a mistake with my bill.
Nice, clear problem.
One more. I'm afraid I ordered chicken, but this looks like fish.
That happens, and then you become a surprise chef.
Exactly. Now, the wrong way. Ready?
Hit me.
Wrong example. This soup is cold. Fix it now.
Oof, too direct.
Or this funny wrong one. I'm afraid of the soup.
The soup is chasing me.
Right. So remember, I'm afraid is not real fear here.
How do you say afraid? I hear people swallow it.
Good ear. Stress the second part. Afraid.
Afraid. I'm afraid.
Perfect. Quick practice, everyone. Say it with us. I'm afraid.
I'm afraid there's a problem.
Nice. Now let's role play. Coffee shop. I'm the barista.
Okay, I will try the right way this time.
Hi. One latte with oat milk.
Thanks. I'm afraid this has regular milk.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Could you make it with oat milk, please?
Of course. I'll remake it right away.
See? No fight, no sad drum stomach.
Exactly. One more quick mini scene. The bill is wrong.
Oh, that's stressful.
I'm the server again. Go.
Excuse me, I'm afraid this bill isn't mine.
Oh, let me see.
I think there might be a mistake. I ordered pasta, not steak.
You're right. I'll fix it. Sorry about that.
So, I'm afraid starts soft and then I explain clearly.
Perfect. Formula 1, done.
Okay, Formula 2.
Formula 2 is, I was wondering if...
That sounds very polite.
It is. It's a gentle request. You give the other person space to help.
So, it's not a command.
Right. Correct examples. I was wondering if you could change my room.
Good.
I was wondering if you have another size.
Okay.
And for a small request, I was wondering if you could bring some water.
Nice. Useful in restaurants.
Wrong version time.
I'm ready.
Wrong example, change my room.
Too short.
Wrong example, I want you to change my room.
That sounds bossy.
And a funny wrong one, I am wondering, where is my room?
Like, I lost it. Has anyone seen my room?
Exactly. So use the full phrase. I was wondering if you could.
Can beginners say, I'm wondering if?
Yes, that's also okay. But I was wondering if feels extra polite.
Cool. Pronunciation tip?
Thoughtful. Link the sounds. I was wondering if. And keep it smooth.
I was wondering if. Okay.
Let's role play. Hotel front desk.
Okay, I'm the guest.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hello, I was wondering if you could help me.
Sure. What's the issue?
I'm afraid my room is very noisy.
Oh no. Is it street noise?
Yes, and I can't sleep.
I understand. I can check other rooms.
I was wondering if you could move me to a quieter room.
Yes, we can do that.
2 formulas in 1.
Yes, you just mixed them. That sounds natural.
Can I use Formula 2 to ask for a manager?
Yes, and that can be very polite.
What do I say?
Try, I was wondering if I could speak to the manager, please.
And the wrong way is, call your boss right now.
Exactly. Keep it calm. Not a movie.
Got it. Formula 2 done.
Now, Formula 3.
The big one.
Formula 3 is, would it be possible to...
That sounds a little official.
A little, yes, but still common. It's great for bigger requests.
Like refunds, returns, changing dates.
Exactly. Correct examples. Would it be possible to get a refund?
Okay.
Would it be possible to exchange this item?
Nice.
And you can add time. Would it be possible to do it today?
That helps when you need it fast.
Wrong versions.
Let's hear them.
Wrong example, give me a refund.
Too strong.
Wrong example, you must refund me.
That feels like a threat.
And the funny wrong one, is it possible to refund my feelings?
My feelings are broken. Please exchange them.
Relatable, but no. We refund money, not feelings.
How do we use Formula 3 in a real talk?
Let's do online shopping. You message customer service.
Okay, I'll be the customer.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'm afraid my package arrived damaged.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Would it be possible to get a replacement?
Yes, we can send a new one.
And if I prefer money back?
Then say it.
Would it be possible to return it for a refund?
Perfect.
What if they only offer store credit?
Then you can ask politely.
Like, would it be possible to get a refund instead of store credit?
Yes, clear and calm.
Okay, these 3 formulas are like magic keys.
Yes, but you still need the right tone.
Calm voice, friendly face.
Even if you feel upset inside.
That's hard.
It is. Here's a quick tip. Start with a tiny apology.
Like, sorry?
Yes, sorry to bother you, or sorry, quick question.
That helps your brain slow down.
Exactly. And if you start too strong, you can repair it.
Repair it.
Yes, say, sorry, I didn't mean to sound rude.
Oh, that's useful.
Then go back to the formula.
Before the challenge, one more small habit.
Oh, a bonus tip?
Yes, end your complaint with appreciation.
So after I ask, I say, thanks for your help.
Exactly, or I really appreciate it.
That feels nice. People relax.
And try softer words too. Instead of terrible, say not quite right.
And instead of you messed up, say, I think there might be a mistake.
Perfect. Quick repeat of the 3 formulas.
Yes, please.
Jack, I'm afraid.
Me, I was wondering if...
Jack, would it be possible to...
Okay, now I'm ready.
Okay, mini challenge?
Yes, you choose the best formula. Situation 1, restaurant. Your steak is overcooked.
Okay, wrong version first.
Yes, quick and short.
Excuse me, this steak is like a shoe. Do you want me to chew leather?
Oh.
And my teeth are filing a complaint too.
All right, stop. Funny, but too strong.
So what's better?
Try soft start, clear problem, polite request.
Okay, new version.
Hi, is everything okay?
I'm afraid my steak is overcooked.
I'm sorry about that.
I was wondering if you could cook a new one, please.
Of course, I'll fix it.
Much better. No shoe talk.
Exactly. Scene 2, hotel. The air conditioner doesn't work.
Ooh, this one makes people angry.
True. Okay, fail first.
Hello? My room is an oven. I am becoming bread.
Becoming bread?
Yes, soon I will be toast. Please rescue me.
Okay. Now polite version.
Hi, I'm afraid the air conditioner in my room isn't working.
I'm sorry about that.
I was wondering if someone could check it.
Yes, we can send maintenance.
And if it can't get fixed fast...
Then use Formula 3.
Right. Would it be possible to change rooms?
Perfect. That gives options.
And you stay calm, even if you feel like bread.
Exactly. Scene 3, online shopping return.
I bought shoes. The size is wrong.
Classic.
Fail version first. Here we go. Hello, your company ruined my life. These shoes are tiny boats.
Tiny boats?
Yes, my toes are in prison.
Okay, dramatic Jack, stop.
Fine, polite version.
Go.
Hi, I'm afraid the shoes don't fit.
Okay.
Would it be possible to exchange them for a larger size?
Yes, we can do an exchange.
Or, I was wondering if I could return them for a refund.
Great, you used Formula 3 and Formula 2.
So in real life, we mix them.
Yes, that's how real English sounds. Not perfect, but friendly.
One more quick thing. What if the person says no?
Good question. Stay polite and ask for another option.
Like, what can we do?
Yes, or is there anything else you can suggest?
Nice. Still problem solving.
Okay, we're close to the end. Let's wrap up.
Quick recap time.
Today you learned 3 polite complaint formulas.
Number 1, I'm afraid.
Number 2, I was wondering if.
Number 3, would it be possible to?
Okay, quick homework, friends.
Yes, make it easy.
Pick one situation today.
Restaurant, hotel, or shopping.
Say one polite complaint out loud 3 times.
Slow and clear, like practice for your mouth.
And if you want, write it in the comments.
We'll help you sound more natural.
Try them this week. Small problems count.
Cold coffee, wrong bill, noisy room.
And tell us in the comments, what complaint do you want to make in English?
We can help you rewrite it politely.
Yes, write your sentence and we'll reply with a better version.
And if this helped you, please like the video.
Subscribe to Easy English Ears for more real-life English.
And share this with a friend who says, "Thank you," and walks away.
Like Jack.
I'm learning, I still need practice.
Perfect ending. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.